For years, growth stocks and the Magnificent Seven have been the undisputed kings of the market. We've become used to double-digit returns almost every single year. But as we've entered February 2026, something has changed. The atmosphere is different. Investors are getting nervous about high valuations and sticky inflation. While the broad S&P 500 has struggled to find its footing lately, a quiet but powerful rotation is happening right under the surface. The smart money is no longer just chasing the next big tech moonshot. They are moving into what many experts call a defensive shield. Today, we're looking at why SCHD is suddenly the most talked about ETF of the year, how it has managed to beat the market in 2026, and why you should seriously consider including it in your long-term portfolio to protect your wealth while still getting paid to wait. SCHD isn't just another dividend fund. It's a meticulously engineered strategy. It tracks the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, and to get into this exclusive club, a company needs a 10-year track record of paying dividends and must pass a rigorous financial health test. But here's the real kicker. In a world where professional wealth management can cost you 1% or 2% in fees, SCHD acts as a high-end defensive shield for a fraction of that. With an expense ratio of just 0.06%, you are essentially buying a massive insurance policy for your portfolio that pays you to hold it. Think of it as a cheap security. For every $10,000 you invest, it only costs you $6 a year to have a team of algorithms constantly filtering for the strongest, most stable companies in America. You're not just buying stocks. You're buying a disciplined system that prioritizes your income when the rest of the market is gambling on growth. Let's look at the actual numbers, because the results in early 2026 have been nothing short of eye-opening. While the tech-heavy S&P 500 has been struggling with high valuations and a cooling AI hype, SCHD has been on a tear, outperforming the broad market by nearly 13 to 15% in just the first few weeks of the year. But why is this happening? It's not luck, it's by design. You see, when interest rates stay higher for longer, as we are seeing now, investors stop betting on future promises and start looking for current profits. SCHD is packed with exactly that. Its top holdings include giants like Lockheed Martin, Chevron, and PepsiCo. These aren't just companies, they are essential pillars of the economy. Think about it. Even in a downturn, people still need energy, they still buy groceries, and global security remains a priority. These companies have pricing power, the ability to raise prices along with inflation without losing customers. While growth investors are biting their nails every time a tech CEO speaks, SCHD investors are seeing their underlying companies generate record cash flow. You're essentially shifting your strategy from hoping for a higher price to owning the cash flow. This is the core of the 2026 rotation, moving from the uncertainty of growth to the undeniable strength of value. It's the difference between chasing a trend and owning a fortress. Right now, as we speak, here in March 2026, something incredible is happening inside SCHD. It's the annual rebalancing, the moment where the fund undergoes a complete DNA check. You see, unlike a standard index that just buys everything, SCHD is ruthless. Every March, its algorithm looks at every single one of its 100 companies. If a company has stopped growing its dividend, or if its balance sheet is starting to look weak, it's out. No emotions, no hesitation. In this 2026 update, we are seeing a massive shift. The fund is trimming back on sectors that have become too expensive and is doubling down on areas where the value is undeniable. We're seeing a significant tilt toward energy and healthcare. Why? Because in an uncertain economy, these sectors are the most resilient. This automatic maintenance is exactly why SCHD is a long-term winner. It's like having a world-class fund manager working for you 24/7, but without the high fees. It ensures that you always own the 100 strongest dividend payers in the US at any given time, while other investors have to manually research and sell their losing stocks. Your SCHD portfolio does the heavy lifting for you. You're not just holding an ETF, you're holding a self-cleaning profit machine that evolves with the market. Now, let's get practical. If you have $10,000 and want a portfolio that balances growth, global exposure, and that famous SCHD shield, here is a blueprint for 2026. First, we allocate 40% or $4,000 to VOO. This is your core growth engine. Next, we add 30% or $3,000 to SCHD to lower volatility and start generating passive income. We add 20% or $2,000 to VXUS for international exposure, and finally, 10% or $1,000 into BND for stability. But what does it cost to run this machine? For your $4,000 in VOO, your annual cost is a staggering $1.20. Your $3,000 in SCHD costs just $1.80 a year. The $2,000 in VXUS adds $1.40. And finally, your safety net in BND costs a mere 30 cents. When you add it all up, the total bill for managing this entire $10,000 diversified portfolio is just $4.70. That is less than a single cup of coffee to have a world-class strategy working for you every single day. But remember, while these numbers look great, every investor's situation is different. This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Markets are unpredictable, so always do your own due diligence. You are the captain of your own ship. The defensive shield isn't about giving up on growth. It's about making sure your money machine keeps humming, even when the rest of the world is panic selling. If you want to see exactly how the 3 ETF core works before you add SCHD, watch my previous video here. Start today, and let's build that $1 million secret together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the 2026 market.